Greetings from Barcelona. I am Ricard Cervera from the Department of Autoimmune Diseases at the Hospital Clinic in Barcelona. And I cordially invite you to attend the 14th International Congress on Autoimmunity in Ljubljana and my presentation on the very recent new classification criteria for the antiphospholipid syndrome. Please note that these criteria are very disruptive in comparison to the previous Sapporo and CINE criteria. And therefore, it is very important to know the way that these criteria were elaborated and to understand the potential value in research as well as in clinical practice of these new criteria. So, see you in Ljubljana, Slovenia, from May 17 to May 20th.